To edit slow motion videos on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, you can open the gallery. In the gallery now you can open the slow motion video. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. And then press this pen icon at the bottom. And after a few seconds you should be able to start editing the video. Over here you should also see this time range and the area in which the slow motion is applied. So if you want to select only part of the video to be in slow motion, then of course you can adjust it like so, or if needed you can also extend it fully to the maximum size as much as possible. Once you are done with the changes, you can press save over here in the top right corner. But if you choose this save option, you will overwrite the original video. So instead you can press these three dots in the top right corner that you have here next to save in order to save as copy. In fact, well, my bad, if you press save then you have these two options anyway. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!